Good evening, dear students. I am very important for control and coordination in animals. I am responsible for growth of the body. I am also very important for metabolism of the body. I am released in the body whenever there is a feeling of joy, anxiety, fear, anger. I can even control so many secondary sexual characteristics in male and female at the time of adolescence. So, who am I? Yes, very nice. Your guess is right. I am hormone. So, dear students, today we will talk about hormones in animals. We know that hormones are chemicals which are formed in one part of the body and translocated with the help of blood through blood circulatory system to the target organ, where they will act as a stimulant, as a coordinating agent, as an inhibitor, or control so many processes. So hormones are the chemical messengers which act on target organs. They are released by endocrine glands. So when we are saying glands, they are of different types. Exocrine glands, the glands which have duct, they pour their secretion at the site with the help of ducts. Then we have endocrine glands also. Then we have endocrine glands. Like endocrine glands are ductless. Heterocrine glands, which act as both exocrine and endocrine. Then we have mixed organs. So in human endocrine system, we will talk about some important glands and their hormones. First is hypothalamus. It has hormone producing neurosecretory cells. Some of these hormones are taken to anterior pituitary where they will function as releasing hormone or inhibitory hormones. Then we talk about pituitary gland. It is pear-shaped gland and it is called as master gland of the body because it controls so many other functions of other glands. It has, we can simply say, it has anterior lobe, posterior lobe and middle lobe. So anterior lobe of pituitary release some thyroid stimulating hormone, adenocorticotropic hormone, then follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and one most important is growth hormone. This hormone stimulates the growth of body through synthesis of protein, enlargement of bones and muscles. Excessive secretion of this hormone may produce gigantism and less secretion may cause dwarfism. The posterior lobe of pituitary gland releases two hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin is also called as birth hormone because it helps in dilation of uterine wall at the time of parturition when mothers giving birth to a baby. It is also act like a milk ejection hormone, and vasopressin, this is called antidiuretic hormone, which plays very important role in osmoregulation, and its deficiency may cause diabetes insipidus. Then we have very important another gland which is called thyroid gland. This thyroid gland, when we talk about, this is bilobed or S-shaped and it lies around the trachea below the larynx. जो वॉइस बॉक्स है हमारा उसके नीचे ट्रैकिया में ये है. This is iodine containing hormone which release thyroxine and iodine free calcitonin. So thyroxine regulate the carbohydrate, fats and protein metabolism. It also control the basal metabolic rate BMR, and whenever there is a deficiency of iodine in our diet, it may cause a disease which is called as swelling of neck. This is called goiter. In children it may cause cretinism, in adult it cause myxedema, and oversecretion may cause protrusion of eye and it may cause Graves' disease. Then we have parathyroid. It releases parathormone It helps to maintain the proper level of calcium and phosphorus. It is required for proper functioning of muscles and nerves. Deficiency of this hormone may cause twitching, spasm and cramps in the muscles. Then we have thymus. It produces thymosin. It is the site of maturation of T lymphocytes. We know they plays very important role in our immunity. T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes, they both plays very important role in immunity. Then we have adrenal. Adrenal glands, they are pyramid types gland located on the upper end of the kidney. It has two parts, outer adrenal cortex and inner is adrenal medulla. This medulla will release adrenaline, which is called as emergency hormone. We call it as triple F, fight, fright and flight hormone. It control and increase the supply of blood to the muscles, hearts and increase the breathing rate, and it is released in the body at the time of joy, anger, fear, etc. Then we know about testes and ovaries. Testes are male sex organs. They produce the sperms and testosterone hormone, which plays very important role in development of secondary sexual characteristics in males and also in spermatogenesis. Similarly, ovaries in females, they will produce testosterone and progesterone, as well as they are under the influence of follicle stimulating hormone, and they also control the secondary sexual characteristics in females. Then we have pancreas. As I have already mentioned, it is a heterocrine gland. So its endocrine region contain isolate of Langerhans and produce insulin and glucagon. Insulin helps in decreasing or lowering the glucose sugar level and glucagon increase it. So both of them working together. Deficiency of insulin may cause diabetes mellitus, and exocrine part of this hormone release some enzymes which help in digestion of proteins. As we know, that is trypsin enzyme. So in tabular form we can simply learn growth hormone, thyroxine, insulin, testosterone, estrogen, adrenaline releasing hormone, and this is just in a tabular form we can learn this is released by which gland and what is its main function. So this is a very important topic. Control and coordination takes place in human beings with the help of endocrine system. I hope you have understood this. Thank you so much.